So basically, the four yogas also actually talk of this human conflict, good, bad. So usme be it all the four yogas, Satyug, Treta Yog, Dwapar Yog, Kal Yog. So in Satyug, the good and the bad resided separately. They were just different, like the Devlok and the Asur Lok. By the time they came to the Treta Yog, that was when there was Ram and Ravan. Matlab, good and bad were existing in the same time, but they were two separate entities. In Dwapar Yug, it was Mahabharat times and it was Kauravas and Pandavas, and in today's, in the Kal Yug times, where the good and bad actually resides within us. And so like you rightly said, it is mythology that actually helps us even understand ourselves better. Why we think, the negativity, the fear, the anger. So many emotions which the outside world tells us that, nahi, mat socho. Like I remember my daughter was telling me about an incident that happened in her class where school में वो चल रहा था good touch bad touch वाला lesson चल रहा था. One of her dearest friends, she just broke down after this incident, and so my daughter was asking her what happened. They were just in 3rd grade. She said that क्या हुआ? So she said, you know, all this that they were talking, she said it's happened to me. So my daughter was like scared on hearing this. She said, what? And then she said that when she tried to tell her parents about it, the parents understood what had happened. But in order to not scare the child, in order to just make her feel better, they just said, no, don't think about it. Nothing like this happened. It's all okay. You're fine. But you know, how much do we suppress because the elders don't understand how to deal? They understand with what has happened, but they try to camouflage, which means as we move through life, what is going to be the way for us to even understand what has happened to us, what we have undergone? There's no support from the outside world, even from the closest, those who want the best for us, because they are trying to interpret this in a way that they feel that let this, as if by just not talking about it, you'll stop feeling it. You'll stop feeling the pain of it. I feel that really how much, relief stories can bring in us interpreting what we have gone through.